Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing and reviewing a sunshade by Pigenius. This is for a 2022 and up Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is going to help protect your dash from the sun and the elements. Let's get it installed and check it out. Big thank you to Pigenius for providing the product for this video. We recently purchased a 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit, and Pigenius offered to send us a sunshade to protect the interior. It arrives in a protective storage bag. Open up the sunshade fully and inside are some instructions and a customer service card. The outer side has a shiny reflective metallic surface. It's a triple laminate construction and has nicely stitched seams. And on the underside is a darker, softer velvety material. This gives the sunshade a really nice premium quality feel. Measuring the dash temp beforehand, it maxed at 132 degrees. Installation is really easy. You just open it out flat with the shiny silver side outwards, place it up against the windshield and fold down your sun visors. It contours the shape of the windshield very well indeed. I wasn't expecting a tight seal around the window, it's got to come in and out, but there is a little bit of light seepage on the left and right hand side. But overall it fits very nicely indeed. And from the outside here, you can see that it covers the windshield in totality. This is really going to help offer some UV protection for your dash. Bearing in mind the vehicle's been in the sun all day, I measured the temperature again and it dropped down to about 116 degrees. And here you can see it folds up nice and compact so it can store easily away in your vehicle. Obviously this is a very easy install, you just place it on the dash and put down your sun visors and hold it in place. But it has that nice silver reflective film on the outside and then a suede-like material on the inside. It's a nice premium product. Then it comes with a storage bag as well. As you saw, it's reduced the interior temperature by a little bit. Now, this time I just had the car out in the sun and then installed it and then measured the temperature again. Now imagine if you had been driving with the air conditioning, you put that sunshade in right away, it's going to keep it even cooler inside the vehicle. Overall, I think this is a really good product. There's a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.